here?
It was great, and I'm actually glad that I had the sense to carry some money. I did a lot of shopping. August is a very expensive month for me. Lots of people have birthdays, including my best friend and my brother and my niece and my sister-in-law. So it's heavy on the wallet. But this is a great place to come because under one roof here at the World Trade Center, you have the High Life Exposition and everything from furnishings to clothes to jewelry to decor. There's some really beautiful things.
What made you tempt the most? Like, what did you get tempted
Jewelry.
most on?
I'm always tempted by jewelry, and I got some beautiful. I've been looking for some ear cuffs in silver and gold, so I got one of each, and I got some beautiful jhumkas that were silver. I also got lots of presents. There was a beautiful marble piece that someone gifted me, something for the hair that someone gifted me, a couple of hair clips and outfits and a stole. So I feel like I've got more things for myself than the presents that I was supposed to get for other people.
If you had to pick one thing for each of your family members, what would you think of giving them from here?
I think for my brother, his birthday is actually on the 16th of August. I would probably get him something. There was an aromatherapy shop with a lot of Shuddhi products, so maybe something to calm the senses, like some aromatherapy oils or a face pack. And then for my mother, I saw a really beautiful marble piece that in fact has been gifted to me, so I can give that to her. I was looking for something for my best friend. I haven't found anything as yet, but there's a beautiful stole again that I'm feeling quite possessive about, but I might give that to her.
And what about the husband and...
Nothing for him. I didn't even look for Kunal. But we don't have to tell him. I don't think he even knows I'm here, so let's not bring it up.
Great. Any final statements, any parting thoughts?
No, just lovely. I think it's so convenient to have so many. There's about 130 stalls under one roof here at the WTC. This exhibition is on for the next 2 days. So today and, of course, the 7th and the 8th of August. So I would encourage everyone who wants to do a little bit of shopping to come here. It's the festive season after all.
Oh, it's nice to have her in the morning. It was a great experience, and it's one of the biggest exhibitions in India, and she's part of it, and we are very happy to be here.
Thank you.
Next 3 days is happening at World Trade Center, 6, 7, 8, World Trade Center, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you.
Thank you.